Hi guys, good morning. So today is November 6, 2024 at 1:15 in the morning. We started using the Philips purifying filter October, and it's been a month, and this is an update. We've been using it every day, and wala namang untoward issues na nangyari nung bata o gising.
Hi.
Wala namang untoward issues na nangyari. Hindi naman kami nagka-diarrhea. It's okay. Best suggestion lang doon, if you're going to store water sa fridge, you have to drink it like right away. Don't store it for more than like 5 days maybe. Kasi it would have a metallic taste to it after. Pero yun, since malakas naman kami sa tubig, hindi nangyayari. Yun na rin pala nung iniinom ng pusa namin. Kasi, si Amazing, pag umiinom ng water, gusto niya direct from tap. Ayaw niya nakalagay sa bowl. Kaya, ayun. Life update. Si Jazz lumalaki ng lumalaki. Ang bilis lumaki ng paa. Bago na naman lahat ng mga damit niya. Bad trip, pati nung sapatos.
Sobrang bilis.
Tapos, continuous naman nung therapy niya. School niya din, continuous. Pero 2 days na siyang walang pasok kasi may sakit si teacher. Diba? On my end, pinipimples na naman ako. Maybe it's because of the air. Lagi naman kaming naka-aircon. Kaya, ayun. Ngayon naka-fan ako dito. Kasi sa kwarto ako. Ano ba? Halloween, we went to 7 different trick-or-treats. Out of those 7, nanalo siya 4 times sa Best in Costume. Well, not Best in Costume. Once first place sa isang call center kung saan nagtatrabaho nung pinsan ko sa Found Ever sa Glorieta 1. He won first place.
Office.
He won a Monopoly set.
Yeah, a Monopoly board game.
Tapos nag-top 5 siya sa BF Homes.
BF Homes.
Trick or treat. Cash prize yon.
Dami.
Tapos, cash prize din dito sa Barangay San Antonio Trick or Treat. Kasama siya sa top 10. Top 10 din sa isa pang Barangay Trick or Treat from parang nung magra-run for next year, they set up a trick or treat for us. He won top 10. Tapos, ako din, I won something special award. Tapos, what else? Where else? Sa school, wala namang contest. Sa cash and carry, hindi kami
Cash and carry.
We did not win.
We did not win. We did not have. I did not have a best costume.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meron pang isa. Meron pa kami isang pinuntahang trick or treat. Kalimutan ko na. Ayun. Yun lang guys. So, I bought a printer. Kasi nga ang dami naming piniprint palagi for Jazz. Tapos mag-print din ako ng documents para sa lola ko. And para kapag magre-renew na kami ng passport, hindi na ako magpapaprint sa labas.
So, my mommy got a new printer yesterday.
Ano siya? Scan...
It's wireless
Print,
printer.
scan, copy. Print, copy, scan siya. Canon MG3000 series. I'm still setting up the wireless connection. Ang hirap. Grabe. Hindi ako makapag-print sa phone. Ayun. Tapos continuous ink system na siya. Kaya, I won't have any issues with printing. Tsaka, mura lang nung ink niya. Ayun lang. Wala na akong ibang maisip na sabihin sa inyo. So, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
Please continue to like and subscribe and watch our videos.
And click the bell button.
Ayan.
Don't skip ads.
Nung channel ni Jazz Gaming 199. Please add that up. He's the one who edits his contents. Ang galing niya mag-edit. Nakakaasar.
Look what I made. It's a Lego printer.
Yan, tingnan mo. Well, okay guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for
Good morning.
watching. Good morning. Bye.